Hi, teacher Oscar and classmates. This is a development of activity planning and inventory. My name is Julián David Forero. I study logistics management in Manuel Berta University in technical English. What do I have to do in this activity? Design a video using screencast in which you simulate a meeting. The purpose of that meeting is to plan an inventory. Write at least 5 sentences using go to and 5 sentences using there is and there are. Remember to use topics of the Model 1 and the vocabulary of your first submission of the glossary. This is a development of activity. Hi guys, today we are going to plan end of the year inventory. I am going to hear their ideas. Are we going to do the same inventory from last year? Because there are 10 sparse parts that we are not going to see later. We are not going to do the same inventory last year because there is a new technology in barcodes reading. Peter, please tell us about this. That's true, Sarah. We are going to implement the technology of RFE, radio frequency identification. It's very easy. There is a problem with this. We must change our inventory software. Are we going to buy a new system? Yes, we are going to buy a new system. There are many financial and quality questions of my area. Okay, but we are going to do other meeting to answer all their questions. Okay guys, today I am going to hear all the questions and additional questions propositions for end of the year inventory. Are we going to check all warehouse? Remember, are we going to check all warehouse? Remember that there are 20 warehouses. Yes, we are going to check our 20 warehouses. There are many assistants that they can help us. Are there obsolete references in inventory? Probably. There are some obsolete references in inventory. We are going to do commercial plan for change this. Is there a contingency plan if something wrong? Of course, there is a contingency plan in our staff. I am going to be attentive to everything. With this end my presentation with development of activity planning and inventory. Thanks for everyone.